Today, we are going to go on Every Waterslide and check out the giant wave pool here at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. I'm so excited, so let's go and have some fun. Oh, we get to get a raft on this one. Ready? Let's go. And up we go. There's a lot of stairs.
Oh, I know.
Look at all these stairs.
I know.
I'm excited.
I know, me too.
I'll take this. You're gonna stand on the blue footprints for me.
Alrighty.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I thought it was gonna be like the Aqua Mouse or the Aqueduct on Disney Cruise Line, like theirs, but it like full on drops you down. Wow, that was awesome. Miss Adventure Falls is literally right next to it, so we figured why not do this one too. I'm so excited. We're gonna go on this one, and this one has like a big like circle tube that you get in, it seems, and like you go all the way up, so it looks fun.
Thank you. There it is.
Oh my gosh, that one was so much fun. For that slide, you do have to have 3 or 4 people in a raft. So that just means that you're either, even if you're like 1 or 2 people, they're just gonna put you with 1 or 2 other people. All right, the next slides are the storm slides. These are a body slides, so those are them. So it's gonna be 1 person at a time. We're gonna get to race, so that'll be cool. It looks like so much fun, and it's like in the rocks. Oh my gosh, Alan, look, you can see the whole thing.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Wow. Those are fun. You can't have water shoes on though. We brought them because the pavement is always like so hot. But you have to hold them. All right, next up is Humunga KowaBunga. They look high.
You want to see how fast people come out?
Yeah, let's see how fast it really is.
Look.
That looks really cool. Okay, we can do it, right? Oh my gosh, that slide was a little intense. It drops you like so far down so fast, and it's a bit bumpy because it's like bum, 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 like with all like the tubes together, but it was cool. Okay, we found some more slides. They have Mayday Falls and Keelhaul Falls. Oh, they're tube slides again. All right, first up is Mayday Falls. We have to take our own tubes up again.
I know, this is not enough.
Wow, we picked a good line. At Keelhaul, Falls stops right there and you go down that way. But this one, you keep going up there. Bye! Oh no. Oh no, Alright, no need. It's getting colder. That one was interesting.
That was.
It's very bumpy. I don't know why it's bumpy. Why do you have to have like all those bumps? I felt like I was slipping at every point though. And then when I came back down at the very end, I legit slipped out of the tube and the tube fell over my head. That was fun. Alright.
Do all the work yourself.
Now, on to the next one. Hopefully this one's less bumpy.
Fun for me, okay?
Thank you. Oh, there's bumps on this. Maybe not. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh, it's kicking off. Woohoo! Look at that, like rock. Oh no. And we're back. Alright.
Oh, I see it.
That one was not too bad. That one did not have a lot of bumps. It was nice and smooth.
That was nice.
Up it goes.
There you go.
Alright, Kia. Ready? I don't know if I'm ready.
Are you ready?
No.
4 minutes. Oh, girl, ladies, wave at it. No.
That was fun.
Oh! What the? Yeah!
Oh, that was so fun.
That was a lot of fun. Worth the gigantic tube that we had to carry up the stairs.
Yes. Alright, let's go check out the wave pool. I'm excited. This one is so long. Wow.
It's massive.
Look at this. This is incredible. Look at this. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do this.
You got this.
Oh no.
You got this.
Oh my god.
You weren't even expecting that, were you?
No, I had no clue. It's coming again.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You got this. You got this.
Look at this.
Let's go, Lola.
Going off again. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe found it a bit helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!